Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Confluent data streaming grip engineer certification 2025. So get started with your data streaming engineer certification today. This exam is designed to validate your expertise in data streaming technologies and practices. This exam will not only demonstrate your skill but also open the exciting opportunities. Confluent data streaming engineer registration link is below. So we'll go through the registration link. So this is the registration link. Confluent data streaming engineer. Take the exam. Review sample questions. So first we'll go through the review sample questions. Open this one. So streaming engineer certification simple question Confluent, and this is the look about that. So Kalfa cluster, this is the partition. So these are the questions and answer will be there. So like this you will get in the real question. So we'll go for the take the exam. So fill this form and start the exam. So data streaming engineer. So you have to fill your cloud email address, then first name, last name, and company details. And if you are the Cloudfluent partner, please enter your work email address below. Partner receive the program benefits for the certification. So this is the optional. When you click on this certification, start the exam, you will get an exam, and after that you will get a certificate. So let me check with the login. My free trial ended option is ended. So when you log in this page, you will get all the details about this one. And when you start the exam, you will get the data streaming engineers, the badges and certifications. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free Confluent Data Streaming Engineer Certification 2025. So step by step process I have shown to you. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.